Today we're checking out the AFE 1 7/8 inch Twisted Steel Shorty Headers for the 2019 and newer 6.4 liter Ram 2500 and 3500. If you want better sound and stronger performance out of your 6.4, but you don't want to tear the entire exhaust system apart, Shorty headers like these are a strong middle ground upgrade that are definitely worth considering. These Shorty headers by AFE are going to give you improved torque and horsepower. And they're also going to give you a more aggressive exhaust note along the way, which is exactly why a lot of Ram owners look at headers in the first place. AFE's Twisted Steel design uses 1 7/8 inch primary tubes and a collector setup to improve the flow. And the Shorty layout is a big plus for someone who wants performance gains without going to a full long tube header. One of the best things about this kit is that it reuses the stock catalytic converters and the stock mid-pipe, so it fits into the existing exhaust system with fewer headaches and an easier install. These are going to go right in with no retune being required, so it's a real plug-and-play operation, which makes it easier to install and enjoy right away. Even though a custom tune is advised if you want the maximum performance, but these will run no problem if you just slap them in, start the truck up and go. Another major feature is the fact that these are going to be manufactured in the USA, but I will say that they don't have a CARB EO number, so this is the kind of upgrade that you want to plan around based on your local rules and how you're going to use the truck. When it comes to the construction on these, you are getting 304 stainless steel Shorty headers with mandrel bent tubing for smoother exhaust flow, plus precision cut mild steel flanges and MIG welded assembly for strength and long-term durability. These are going to have a raw finish on the stainless steel, but it's going to hold up really well to rust and corrosion over time, and that raw finish is going to fit a performance-focused look under the hood. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around the $1,200 price range. Now that's right in line with some premium stainless steel Shorty headers for a heavy duty truck, especially one that's designed to reuse the stock catalytic converters and save you money there and fit cleanly into that factory exhaust layout. So in my opinion, this is a solid value. When it comes to the install on this, it's going to get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in just 2 hours of your time. Now, if you haven't done any header work in the past, just take your time and be careful, but if you aren't 100% confident in your ability to do this correctly, then go ahead and hire a professional and get this one done right. Well, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the AFE 1 7/8 inch Twisted Steel Shorty headers for the 2019 and newer 6.4 Ram 2500 and 3500. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.